Good day, my lovely people. The information don't reach our hands say Nigeria government, the fake Nigerian government, don't succeed to import Chinese doctor into Nigeria. No problem. The issue now be say make that Chinese doctor make dem remain in Aso Rock. Our people don't need them. The governors for Southeast, this is a sound warning to you all. Don't say we no want una because I want to create problem for that land. Governors for Southeast, which is Biafra land, say no to Chinese doctor. No bring Chinese doctor into Biafra land. It's a serious case. No bring Chinese doctor into Biafra land to cure our people, or we don't need any equipment from China into Biafra land. Governors for Southeast in Biafra land, una no bring Chinese doctor into Biafra land. Our people don't need any treatment from Chinese doctors. Let the Chinese doctor remain in Aso Rock. Let the Chinese doctor go to Kano or Kaduna and cure RFI. They should go and cure Abba Kyari and Jubril. Chinese doctor should not come to Biafra land. Governor Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, my own governor, Delta State is a Biafra land. We no need Chinese doctor in Biafra land. We no need any Chinese equipment in Biafra land. Southeast youth, any governor from that Southeast when embrace Chinese doctor, the youth should rise up and protest against that governor. Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, if you import Chinese doctor into Delta State, the Delta youth will rise up and protest against you because you want to destroy our people, you want to kill our people. For those people, when they come to my page, they tell me rubbish words, say Delta State Delta State is not a Biafra land. Mona shut up on our mouth. No, I don't know anything when I go to. No, I no go fit change them. Delta na Biafra land. Yeah, they say if you no fit beat them, you join them. E get when I go reach, I go clear, and I go see the truth, and I go see the light, and I go join. Because now, and if una no fit join, una pack una property, go Sokoto or Kaduna, go dey live. Because Delta na Biafra land, and we must fight and achieve our Biafra. Governors for Biafra land, if una bring any Chinese equipment into Biafra land, it's going to be terrible and dangerous. The youth will rise and protest against una. We don't need 5G network now in Biafra land. After the investigation of the 5G, the scientists don't go through the 5G. They don't say the 5G network don't enter the level when we say no go affect human life again. It no go weaken our immune system where coronavirus will be effective to kill and destroy us. We can embrace it, but for now we don't need it. Delta State governor, hear me well. 5G network, we no need them for Delta. Me I be full born and brought up in Delta. After a while, na my community, we dey boundary where you come from. We no need 5G network. We no need any Chinese doctors in Delta State, Biafra land. Those of now when they sleep, when they support this evil government, they think say Delta no be Biafra. No they think about oil. Biafra no dey believe on oil. Biafra no dey depend on oil. Let me tell you the truth. Biafra does not depend on oil. Even the oil one they protect, say na the oil these people they find come. Which people they enjoy the oil? Not be the Fulanis. Not be the Fulanis they enjoy that oil. One they think stupid people when no get sense. Hausas, Sudan or Sokoto get 23 oil well in your own land. No fit talk. Now people person when they protect now when they fight for now Mazina they can when they fight for everybody no will come and when they talk any against her they criticize the man when they fight for your own good for your own life to be okay they criticize them.